Next, let's connect the battery cables. The communication cable of the battery is through the COM port. Then it was connected to our BMS. Next, let's connect the photovoltaic cable. Our machine has two MPPTs. There are also PV1 and PV2. Each PV is equipped with two interfaces to accommodate higher currents. The red one is PV1 connected to PV1+. Then the black one is connected to PV. We pick up another PV2. Next, let's connect the load line. The load line carries a greater current compared to the PV line, so we will prepare thicker wires. The product we have prepared is an 8G wire. The same red connection line for L. Black negative line and line. Next, we will connect the power line to the mains electricity. Next, let's connect the grounding wire. It is to prevent leakage of electricity. Next, explain the specifications of input phase and input voltage. Different phases correspond to different voltages. First, when the phase difference between L1 and L2 is 180 degrees, the voltage difference between the live wires of L1 and L2 is 240 volts. Then, when the phase difference between L1 and L2 is 120 degrees, or at 240 degrees, the voltage difference between the live wires of L1 and L2 is 208 volts. The voltage between L1 and N, as well as between L2 and N, is 120 volts. In the end, when the phase difference between L1 and L2 is 0 degrees, the voltage difference between the live wires of L1 and L2 is 0 volt. The voltage between L1 and N, as well as between L2 and N, is 120 volts. Thanks for watching.